welcome to Garden Wise Adventures. Today is a very sad day. Today I have to say goodbye to a very loved plant of my yard, and that is my chaste tree. Let me get you closer to show you what happened. So here we have my beloved chaste tree, and if you'll notice, it is quite bare. Looks like the buds had started coming out, but there's no green growth. There's no green inside these little twigs. And let me show you the base of the tree. This is the devastating thing that happened. If you can see, every single branch is split wide open. Now, the only thing that I can think of that would have done this kind of damage is either it got struck by lightning, but there's no burn mark, so it wasn't lightning, or just as the sap started flowing, we had a very heavy freeze. You know, it got down to the low 20s. And that is what I think killed this shrub. So this shrub is gone, and we're going to be taking it out. Now I'll put some pictures up to show you what it looked like in its full glory. And I'll also link a video on when I used it for Plant of the Week. Now, to be on the positive side, this isn't such a disaster. Well, it is a disaster, but there can be positive things that come from it. This entire area of my yard is going to be torn apart, and I'm going to redo it. I'm going to take out all the grass and put in a bunch of other plants. So I can put in another chaste tree and maybe put it in a little bit better position. So let's get going on the sad part and take out my shrub. I've taken it all the way down. I was hoping I would find some signs of life. There are literally no signs of life. So we're going to hook a chain around this and pull it out with our truck. So it did come out. Let's bring this in closer and look at the hole here, the deep hole we made. There's a deep hole. We pulled it out, and I hope my 9-bark recovers. We're done. So let's show you this root ball here. And it did die all the way to the roots. There's no green. There's no live tissue. Unfortunately, this poor baby tree was a goner. But now we have an open space. We're actually getting rid of all the grass. I sprayed it with Roundup. Yes, I did say Roundup. And we're going to redo the space, and we'll do a video on it. I'm excited. Well, thank you for joining me for yet another adventure, even though it was a really, really sad one. But out of the ashes, we're going to have the phoenix rise. It's going to be beautiful, and I will include you on that adventure. So until next time, go out in your garden, enjoy yourself, and have a wonderful garden adventure.